Hey everyone, it's Addie Van Salisbury on the Aspen Discovery team with Bywater Solutions, and today I want to talk about the built-in staff directory functionality in Aspen Discovery so you can really easily create staff directories right within Aspen for each of your libraries. All you need to do is go to your Aspen administration menu. This lives in the web builder function, so you'll hop into staff members. You'll see that there's a few staff members here. We've got a few options. If you're familiar with most of the rest of the administration side of Aspen, a lot of these will look familiar. You can compare, you can edit either by clicking edit or into the ID. You can see a history of what has happened on these staff members. And then we're going to go ahead and add new. So first you're going to choose what library the staff member is a part of. If you have more than one library, this is where you will define that. You're going to put in the name of the staff member. You'll put the role of the staff member. So Brad is our box inspector. If you want patrons to be able to reach that staff member, you can put in the email here, same with phone number. You can upload an image of the staff member right in this portion. And then finally, you're going to give a description. So if you need any boxes inspected, Brad would love to do the job for you. Contact him whenever needed. So then I'm going to go ahead and save my changes. While this is saving, I'm going to go ahead and show you the URL that you will be using to access the staff directory. So that's going to be whatever your main URL is for your catalog, and then /webbuilder//staff directory. So as you're adding staff members to this, they will automatically appear if you are in the library site. The great thing about this is we now have this URL with our staff directory that you can embed anywhere. So we can add it in a menu link up here. So if y'all are familiar with the way that you can link out items up here, you can also link out in this hamburger menu drop down. So if you wanted to do staff directory here that people could click into, they could do that. And you can also embed this link into any website. So if you're making custom web pages in the web builder, you can embed that directory right there as well. If you have any questions, please reach out and let us know. Check out our videos on creating menus, on creating the custom web pages if you have questions about those things as well.